sticky, all elbows and knees, bumping into everything, clumsy, and clueless about it. You're elated by the games you play with your friends, and you're subject to terrible outbursts when you can't find your favorite sock or pencil. You're unintentionally thoughtless, tracking mud on a clean floor, holding a bouquet of wildflowers in your small, sweaty hands. And that's you, spring. That's you to a T. You sprouted up early this year, oblivious to the fact that it was still winter. It was February, after all. Did you know that? It's been a little horrifying. Like a Frankenstein monster, the land came to life far before its